Handling frame. In-frame technology ensures riders enjoy pleasant handling and an energetic feeling on every motocross track. Beneath the red powder coating lies mild chromium molybdenum steel, a hydroformed, laser-cut, robot-welded chassis built to work. Designed to be stiff where it needs to be stiff and to flex where flex is needed, it provides outstanding rider feedback, energy absorption and straight-line stability. Subframe. With a short profile and compact, all gas motocross subframes are made of lightweight aluminum. This profile helps concentrate mass while keeping weight down. Created triple clamps, featuring 4-way handlebar adjustment that allows the rider to set the front of the bike the way he likes. The forged 22mm offset triple clamps work in sync with the WP front fork to help deliver proper handling and stability. WP forks. All gas motocross models are equipped with the advanced and super lightweight 48mm WP-XACT inverted fork that is easy to adjust. Delivering progressive, consistent damping no matter how rough the track, featuring encapsulated air springs and pressurized oil chambers along with other internal damping wonders. The end result is excellent rider comfort and front-end confidence. WP shock. Traction is everything, and the fully adjustable WP-XACT rear shock provides advanced damping that inspires confidence and sparks fun. Designed to work in harmony with the frame and rocker arms to offer excellent energy absorption, the shocks are also matched to a special geometry linkage system that further aids traction. Rebound and high, low-speed compression adjustment and 300mm of travel mean the gas motocross bike is ready to take on the roughest tracks. Swing arm. Lightweight, strong and featuring visible chain adjustment marks to make life on the track easier. Our motocross swing arms are made using a gravity die-cast process to guarantee durability and precision. Motor. The heart of our MC125 is a compact 125cc two-stroke motor weighing 17.2 kilograms, 37.9 pounds. Producing lots of torque, the power unit makes this bike very easy to use but also very competitive, perfect for beginners and top racers alike. Designed to centralize all internal driving parts, the motor also plays a big part in the bike's agile handling. Cylinders and pistons. Concealed within the MC125 cylinders is an innovative power valve system. Responsible for controlling the main and side exhaust ports, say it's innovative when coupled with the two-piece cylinder head. It works to ensure the motor produces a very impressive free torque. Carburetor. The 38mm flat-slide Mikuni TMX carburetor ensures the small two-stroke screamer receives a constant supply of fuel, filling the bike with energy and giving the rider smooth, controllable power over the full reverend range.